Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup, of course. So the new makeup we're going to be talking about today is Colourpop's Limoncello. Hopefully I'm saying it right. I can't wait to get into this palette. There's a lot of little goodies I can talk about this palette. So before I jump all the way into it though, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And don't forget to leave a comment below. And as well, don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there. So let's get into this palette. All right, y'all. So I wanted to talk about this palette's packaging for a second because this packaging is immaculate. It's really, really good. Usually I want to say this is $18. I want to believe it's $18 normally. I did get it on their 25% off, worldwide sale. And I got it for, I believe, 13 bucks, which is not bad at all. It is a pressed powder palette, again, of course. This gives you 12 shades in this beautiful palette. So let's analyze this packaging, shall we? So on the front, it does say the Limoncello. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So with this palette, it does have the printout, guys. And I really do like the lemon kind of printed out. It's kind of has a 3D kind of effect a little bit. It's kind of poked out. And it does have another lemon right here that's kind of shiny. It kind of has texture to it, guys. I like that. The back, of course, it has the names. We already know about that. So this palette weighs a lot more, y'all. Like, it really does have a nice weight to it. And I'm a little shocked by that because I was like, it's got a low weight. It's kind of cute. So, of course, in the front, you get a beautiful big mirror. So I just wanted to show you guys right here. They have, again, that very texturized lemon right there. All those beautiful shades. These actually have big pans. I love it. Big round pans. I love when the pans are big and round. They're just, to me, I feel like they're like perfect when they're medium or larger size and they're round. It's the perfect pan size for shadows. But yeah, this palette is very inspired by, it's like an Italian lemon. It's very, very pretty. So if you guys want this look from this Italian lemon palette, just stay tuned. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial today. I kind of had a little moments with this palette. So let's dig into this palette so I can tell y'all why. So these give you 7 mattes and 5 shimmers. So I'm glad they give you more mattes because it is more realistic. I do prefer that. I really do. With this shade, La Fiesta. That one is that matte kind of cool tone navy. Well, not navy, but like cool tone blue. Very Mediterranean kind of blue, but like cool tone and matte. This one, if you guys can see, let me show you. Because when you pick at this, if you guys can see how that's all dropping. Like, look, I understand pigmentation. I understand it, but that is, look at that, it just dropped everywhere. It is so very powdery. This palette is extremely powdery, especially the matte shades. I was like, dang, they're so powdery. They are pigmented. I give them that. They are very pigmented, but it's a lot of powder. I was like, that's a lot. I was like, I don't really care for that. All the mattes down here, and then this yellow one, extremely powdery. Beautiful color. It is very pigmented again, but very powdery, just like the La Fiesta. That one is very, very powdery. One thing is, I really, really do like the shimmers in this palette. I feel like they are very pigmented, but these are not crumbly or anything like that. These are very, very pretty. This right here, is it Capri? I think that green and the Amalfi, hopefully I'm saying it right again. I think these are my favorite colors. I did do a little bit of easy peasy right here too. This one's kind of a duochrome situation. And then the La Fiesta, I do like that blue shade. So yeah, one swipe alone, look at that pigmentation. So it is very pigmented. So you get that powder fallout, but you get a lot of pigmentation. One thing is though, with that blue color, I can blend it out, but it's a little bit hard. I feel like since it's so pigmented, to have like a blurring, kind of blurred out, you can't read between the color lines. It's just, that one doesn't give, it's a little more stark. And you guys see what I did with the halo, it's very just blue, and it stays put, which is good when you want that color to just pop. I think all over the lid's pretty, but to blend it out like a smoky kind of light blue eye like that, I feel like it'll be very hard to blend out, because that's the impression I got when I was using it as just a halo. I was like, I wanted to blend with the golds and all, but it was a little hard to work with. But every other color in here, it blended with each other very well. So it's something about that blue one. They put something else different or pressed it harder or something. Like I said, it's okay. Still, the color is very beautiful, but it's just really, I don't feel like it's very blendable. That's just my opinion. Yeah, this palette, I think the names are cute. Some of them, a lot of them I can't pronounce, but I still think the theme of it is very, very cute. One other thing I did forget to talk about inside the packaging is that they do have lemon slices on the corners there, see? And it has a texture to the palette inside. The detail in the packaging is what really wins it with this palette for me, but the pigmentation and the big pans are very good as well. So this palette, I think if you are liking more of that neutral palette, but then you also like a little bit of that pop of blue, that little pop of color, or if you love anything Mediterranean, summertime, springtime kind of looks, you will probably love this palette very, very much. I think this is like a solid palette for that kind of look. If you love yellows and oranges, this whole two top rows, you'll love it. And you guys know how I feel about yellow shadows. This one did perform very well. They do blend away with some of the oranges I used, but this color overall, it did still pop out over my more golden toned skin. If you've had neutrals and if you had a pop of blue color in any palette, it's not anything too different from other palettes, but I think the presentation of it is done very well. So guys, overall, I did like this palette. I think she's very cute. I think the packaging is just A+. The weight of it does feel a little more luxurious, and also just every little detail in it, and the big pans and the huge mirror, I like it. They were really good on that part. I believe this palette is nicely priced, especially when I have the deal, the 25% off. I believe this is priced very well. So this is worth a $15 to $20 palette. I believe it is. The packaging, the weight, the pigmentation, the mirror, the details, everything, it's done very well. I have to admit, a lot of their packaging lately has been just kind of like, okay, but this packaging is beautiful. It makes you want to play in this palette because it's just so pretty, so pretty. And they're extremely pigmented, and they give you more pans. So it's like a bigger pan size, more color, more pigmentation, and the packaging is gorgeous. And you get a big old mirror, pretty good, especially for 15 and 20 bucks. So I enjoyed this palette. Hopefully you'll enjoy it too. And guys, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know, would you grab this palette or would you pass? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.